Let's focus on the interior. It's not a future production car. It's a lab that explores the future of Renault's voiture à vivre and expresses our brand DNA at its boldest. As you can see on this video, the cockpit is a strong example of people-first tech. The curved screen, called OpenR Panorama, runs across the entire dashboard, displaying information with optimal readability. The control touchscreen is as simple to use as a smartphone and offers an intuitive experience. Our Space Lab also pushes safety further with innovations such as Safety Coach with personalized assistance thanks to embedded AI and alcohol detection for young drivers. Inside, space and comfort reach a new level. The cabin is filled with light thanks to large panoramic glass surfaces, reinforcing the feeling of space. In the front, you can enjoy a lounge-like experience with smart storage and a relaxing leg rest position. In the rear, the cabin is designed for real life with fully modular seats that slide and fold to adapt to passengers. Several of those innovations will make their way into our next launches. Let's now move to international markets, our third driver. Our objective is clear: fully leverage our international hubs to capture growth while reinforcing our global competitiveness. Out of Europe, we will launch 14 new models by 2030. This strategy is focused on Latin America, Korea, and India, where we already have strong industrial and commercial footprints. Together, these regions represent a market equivalent in size to Europe. Thanks to platform sharing, selected strategic partnerships, and agile local organizations, Renault will develop global vehicles adapted to market needs. India is the cornerstone of our plan. It is one of the fastest growing automotive markets, with electrification and higher segments gaining momentum. We have 15 years of presence there, deep market knowledge, and a fully integrated ecosystem. With the takeover of the Chennai plant and the launch of 4 models, including electric cars and full hybrids, India becomes a global hub serving both local and international markets in production and sourcing. Bridger concept perfectly illustrates this strategy. It is built on a simple insight: as cities grow, customers need cars that are compact, agile, safe, connected, and affordable.